Look, I got something done. It's actually front wheels under it. So, it's frame connectors. They got some very detailed instructions. You got to measure 6 7/8 inch over back here, and then 6 3/4 up here, and then draw a line, and then 3 inches over, connect it, and then you got to take this template. I don't know what I did with it. You got to cut this template out. Trace it on the floor. It took me about a month of Sundays to figure out where. And of course I had to use a black Sharpie, but I am hoping I'm right. And then I got to cut all the way up to here. Brand new floor, and I got to cut a hole in it. So I am not going to let you guys watch me do this, because I don't even know if I'm doing it right. So I'm gonna second, triple, quadruple check all my stuff here before I cut, and then we'll see how it comes out, and then I'll come back and show you guys. Don't pay attention to my welds, but it's just sitting in there. That is what it will look like. So this one's pretty much ready, weld in. I don't really know if there's a whole lot to show. I mean, yeah, follow instructions. This is what it looks like. When I do the other side, I'll take a little bit more video of it. But for now, yeah, that's it. Detroit Speed subframe connectors on a F-body 79 Camaro. That's what they look like on the inside. Yep. Kind of cool. Alright. Go figure. Yeah, you learn on the first side. This side fits a whole lot better. And oh yeah, this side fits a lot better. I should have done this side first. Driver's side's supposed to look better, but it is what it is. So now I got to pull it back out, and then I have to cap the end of it with this. So that will go in the end of it. There's supposed to be like a 1/2 inch gap here, but yeah, I gotta measure that, because there's supposed to be a 1/2 inch gap there. So trim that back, and then these pieces will go on the side of it, and then I'll cap it, I'll put it back in, I'll tack those pieces on the side of it, I'll take it back out, I'll weld it, and then it'll go back in and get welded to the subframe, and that's going to be it for tonight, because the rest of it's going to be just welding it in. And I mean, it is what it is. I don't know if I don't think I'm going to get them fully welded in tonight, so. Yeah. And you're supposed to run these aluminum body mounts with these as well. So this thing should be quite rigid once done. I'm going to go through, I'm going to take a grinder and clean this up. I got a little carried away, a little too hot in places. But that's it. I know it don't show a lot, but that's Detroit Speed subframe connectors. Actually wasn't as bad as I was expecting. You know, when I realized I had to cut it in the floor to do them, I was getting a little anxious. But man, it's nice, low profile. And once I'm done with that, then I gotta get back here and I gotta clean all of that. And I gotta do that before I can put a rear end in it. But man, I'm close to putting a rear end in it. But I want to get this cleaned and painted, scuff the bottom of the floor, paint it, and put a rear end in it. It'll be back to being a roller here soon. Well, I say soon. I don't know how soon. If I had another good weekend, I might be able to get it back on to being on all 4 tires. But I'm not in a hurry. I wasn't even planning on being this far already. So, again, if it was easy, everybody do it. Till next time.